Hello and welcome to the KSG India News Bulletin. If you're preparing for UPSC Civil Service Exam and other government jobs, here are the important news updates for you. Let's begin with the headlines. UPSC Recruitment 2020 for various posts, visit at upsc.gov.in. PM Modi launches physical distribution of property cards under Swamitva scheme. Migratory bird species face extinction. Madhya Pradesh moves Supreme Court for GI rights. RBI appeals to Supreme Court for NPA classification. World Food Programme's India's link. NTA to declare the NEET 2020 results on 12th October. Today is International Girl Child Day. Important news in detail starting with UPSC Recruitment 2020. Application begins for 44 vacancies for various posts at upsc.gov.in. The deadline to apply is October 29th, 2020. However, the last date for submitting the hard copy of application is October 30th, 2020. Moving on to the next. PM Modi launches physical distribution of property cards under Swamitva scheme via video conferencing on 11th October. The move will help villagers to use property as a financial asset. Beneficiaries of the scheme are from 763 villages across 6 states, including 346 from Uttar Pradesh, 221 from Haryana, 100 from Maharashtra, 44 from Madhya Pradesh, 50 from Uttarakhand and 2 from Karnataka. These cards are physical copies of property titles of the villagers' homes and the surrounding areas they own, as opposed to the cultivated land. Under the scheme, land parcels in rural areas were mapped using drones. This will help in revenue collection and ensure clarity on property rights in rural areas. World Migratory Bird Day that falls on 10th October 2020. The migratory species that are in danger of extinction throughout all or a significant portion of their range are listed on Appendix 1 of the Convention, while Appendix 2 lists migratory species with an unfavorable conservation status. A variety of Appendix 1 avian species which needs the highest degree of protection can be found in India. Madhya Pradesh and its Basmati growers body has knocked at the door of the Supreme Court seeking a geographical indication tag for Basmati rice grown in its 13 districts. The state has so far been unsuccessful in joining the elite group of 7 states Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and 26 districts of Uttar Pradesh and parts of Jammu and Kashmir, which on May 31st, 2010 got GI status for Basmati. The Reserve Bank of India has appealed to the Supreme Court to let banks classify loans as non-performing, saying a ban imposed to help borrowers in the COVID-19 pandemic could greatly harm the nation's financial system. The RBI, in a filing to the Supreme Court late, warned that failure to immediately lift an interim stay on banks classifying any loan as a non-performing asset would also undermine the central bank's regulatory mandate. The United Nations World Food Programme, which has been working in India since 1963 at a time when the country was battling food shortages, has been awarded the 2020 Nobel Peace Prize. The Nobel Committee said the WFP, which provides food assistance to millions across the world, had acted as a driving force in efforts to prevent the use of hunger as a weapon of war and conflict. NEET results 2020. Attention candidates, the National Testing Agency (NTA) is expected to declare the results of the National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test (NEET) 2020 on October 12th. NTA will declare the NEET 2020 results on the official website of NEET. Therefore, candidates are requested to visit ntaneet.nic.in for the process of downloading their respective results. Once released, candidates can also visit the official website of NTA for the same, ntaneet.nic.in and nta.nic.in. Now, how to check the results? Step 1. Visit the official website of NEET, that is ntaneet.nic.in. Second step is, on the home page, click on the link that reads NEET 2020 results. Then a new page will appear on the screen and you have to enter the asked credentials. Then click on the submit option. Then step 6 is your NEET results 2020 will appear on the screen. Then you have to download it and take a printout for future references. The NEET 2020 was conducted on September 13th at various test centers across the country amid strict COVID-19 norms. Earlier this week, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank had said that the NEET result will be declared soon to prevent any future delay in the new session. The NTA had released the provisional answer key for NEET UG 2020 on September 26th. Today is International Girl Child Day. On December 19, 2011, United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution 66/170 to declare October 11th as the International Day of the Girl Child, to recognize girls' rights and the unique challenges girls face around the world. Since then, International Girl Child Day is observed on October 11th every year with a different theme. This year, the theme of International Day of the Girl Child is My Voice, Our Equal Future. The theme focuses on inclusion, gender equality, and listening to what girls want, their dreams and aspirations. The International Day of the Girl Child focuses attention on the need to address the challenges girls face and to promote girls' empowerment and the fulfillment of their human rights. That's all for today. Get ready for the UPSC mains by sitting at home. Join KSG India online learning courses at ksgindia.com. For more details, please log on to our website and get the compilation of important news updates in concise and exam-oriented way. Thank you. Stay tuned to ksgindia.com.